Hello and welcome to today's video where we will show you how commenting and the page history work in Phonemos. Two very important features that definitely make collaboration a lot easier. Here you can see an example content page, and yeah, let's start right with the comment functionality. So here you can see this little bubble where you can start a new discussion. So whenever you want to discuss something with your colleagues or your clients, you can just type here your message. So let's say example message or example task as you wish. And then you can assign this comment to someone. You can also just leave it here. You can put a due date. But if you decide to assign it to someone, let's say I assign it to myself and make a due date, let's say on Wednesday, then the cool feature is that this will show up in your tasks as well, as you already know from the introductory video. So now I have a new task. When I open it, then I can check it off. And when I click here on resolve, then the task is resolved. So this is your comment functionality where your users can start a discussion and discuss the topics on a certain Phonemos page. If you don't need it anymore, then you can just put it to the side. And let's dive right into the version control functionality or the version history. So whenever a new page is saved, so for example, now we're on version 16 of this page. If I change something on this page, let's say I just write here test, and then click on save, then this page has a new version. So when I go back in time, then you see the test is gone, and you can just go back on your content. This is a really practical feature because you can always see who changed what. You can see here some colleagues of mine have changed this page before, and you can also see the date exactly when something has been changed. Here on the three dots, you can do a couple of other actions like download this Phonemos page as a PDF. You can print it, you can move the page in the page tree, or you can just copy it, or you can delete the complete page. This was all for today's topic, and thank you much for your attention. Hope to see you soon in the next Phonemos video. Bye bye.